Today we talk about how can you select countdown on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, you keep going down. So then you come here to count down here. Then here can you select it in this list. So that's all you have to do to select here countdown on your app. That's all. I wish you know you I give it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.